is PM.
Sarah.
Let's go for another step.
Ok, je suis count.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and side mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and side mark. So this is simple step, just to walk, but you have to make 4 quarter turn. First step, advance. Second step, advance 2. 3 steps you have to make a turn to be face to your partner. 3, okay, I'm here. Second step, make another quarter turn. 4, I'm here, okay? On your right, on the left for your partner. It's important for the next step because you have to turn her. 1, okay, you are on the left and Eddie on the
Right.
and quarter turn again. 4, and you have to be face to your partner and just advance side marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and mark.